So, what's in the box? Well, if you guessed a Hengjian dirt bike, if that's the way you pronounce it, I don't really know, you'd be 100% correct. Just arrived from the shipping company a couple of days ago, and I've begun to remove it from its covering. Nice looking bike. This is my second Chinese dirt bike. Let's just get back a little bit so you can take it all in. Quite well packaged, steel frame. I've taken all the cable ties off it already. Back wheel is already installed, as is the suspension linkage. So it's a pretty straightforward one, this one, to assemble. Just got to put the front wheel in, headlight and electrical system, battery and a few other bits and pieces, but it's mainly probably about 95% assembled already, which is good. Now a little bit about the bike. This one is a Hengjian, if I got that right again, S6. It is a 250cc two-stroke single cylinder, and it is powered by, I think, a 223cc Yamaha motor, or based on the Yamaha motor. It's electric start only. As you can see, there's no provision for a Kickstarter on this one. Last one I had did have a Kickstarter, but this engine looks completely different to the previous one I had, which is only about a year ago. So it's going to be interesting to see how this one performs. Got compression rebound settings on the forks, nice big thick forks by the looks of that. Tyres look nice and chunky. Hopefully they're better quality than the last one, because they weren't too good. They fell apart on the first ride, actually, or second ride. But Chinese tyres probably aren't up to the quality of the ones we'd normally buy, but that's not a big issue. You just change them out anyway, for sure. Anyway, that's the bike. Now we'll go and have a look at some of the accessories that come with it. Front wheel, of course. Yes, you do get a front wheel. Disc brake, of course. Front hand rear. Mudguards. Headlight, and you get a racing plate too if you want to use that, and the cable guide for the racing plate. Battery is included. Handlebars do look like a copy of a famous brand. I won't say which one, but I think you can guess. They're pretty fat here and not too fat at this end. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. We're going to do a pretty deep test on this one. I'm going to take it out and put it through its paces, test the suspension, the steering, of course, the handling and all the other bits and pieces, and the quality, and see how it stands up to a bit of abuse. And hopefully we're going to enter it in a few off-road competitions, a few enduros, and see how it handles that as well. So yeah, should be fun. Especially I'm looking forward to testing out the suspension and seeing how I think it's SZC, is it? Which I believe is made in Taiwan. So that didn't used to be a good thing, but these ones seem to be a bit better than some of the other quality they were putting out before. So yeah, as I said, stay tuned to the channel, guys, and yeah, should be good fun moving forward. And what have we got in the small box? Shipping certificate there, or something in Chinese. They do supply oil, their own brand oil, Hengjian oil. A few bits and pieces, some fasteners there to put things together, wheel spacers and keys for the ignition.